In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Figma file. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Figma is a powerful design tool, perfect for creating interfaces and graphics. And one key skill every designer should have is knowing how to properly export their work. So let's get started. First, once you've opened your Figma file, you want to find the design you intend to export. To do this, click on the Design tab on the left-hand side of your workspace. This will help you navigate through your frames and components effectively. Now that you're looking at your design, it's time to ensure it's ready for export. Make any necessary adjustments to your file. Think of it as a final check before you get your masterpiece out into the world. After making sure everything looks just the way you want, we can proceed. Next, locate the elements you want to export. Once you've selected them, look for the Export option in the right-hand sidebar. Click it, and you'll see some options pop up. This is where the fun begins, as you can choose how you want to export your design. Make sure to select correctly based on what you need, whether it's an image or PDF format. After you've chosen how you want to export your design, you're going to see a Preview option. Clicking on Preview allows you to see what your exported file will look like. It's always good practice to check this to ensure that nothing looks out of place. It gives you a little snapshot of your design in the export format. If you want to take it a step further, you can change the color profile and adjust the quality of your export. Just look for the three dots next to your export settings. Clicking on those opens up additional options where you can tweak everything to your preference. Customizing these settings can make a significant difference in the final look of your exported file. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and the settings are just right, it's time to export. You'll see the big Export button. Go ahead and click on that. A dialog will appear asking where you want to save your file, and after selecting your desired location, just hit Save. And that's it. Your Figma file is now exported and ready for sharing or further use. Whether you're working on a project for a client, sharing your designs with teammates, or just saving your work for later, mastering the export function is essential. To wrap things up, make sure to practice these steps a few times to become more comfortable with the process. Exporting files is a crucial part of the design workflow, and once you get the hang of it, it will be just second nature for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Happy designing!